Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of PMV Pharmaceuticals, and today the stock is down 20.40%, trading at $11.04. PMV Pharmaceuticals is a precision oncology company, engages in the discovery and development of small molecule and tumor-agnostic therapies for p53 mutations in cancer. The company's lead product candidate is PC14586, a small molecule that corrects a p53 protein containing the Y220C mutation and restores wild-type p53 function. It is also developing mutant p53 programs, including wild-type p53 induced phosphatase, R282W and R273H, as well as other p53 hotspot mutations. The company was formerly known as PJ Pharmaceuticals and changed its name to PMV Pharmaceuticals Inc. in July 2013. PMV Pharmaceuticals Inc. was incorporated in 2013 and is headquartered in Cranbury, New Jersey. The company has 54 full-time employees. So what happened with PMV Pharmaceuticals to lose about 20% of its stock valuation today? Well, about 3 hours ago, we have these results, this PR that talks about PMV Pharmaceuticals initial PC14586 phase 1 data presented at ASCO demonstrated anti-tumor activity across multiple solid tumor types with a p53 Y220C mutation. So the highlights of this report are the overall response rate of 32% achieved in higher dose cohorts per RECIST V1.1. Partial responses observed across 6 distinct tumor types. Data featured as an oral presentation at ASCO. Company to host investor event via webcast today at 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time to review data presented. So basically what this is saying is that the trial that they are having on their lead drug candidate is not having the fully expected results. They could see some positive results with very high dosages, but with regular dosages, they have partial responses across 6 distinct tumor types that they tested. I guess those are the various types of tumors that they tested. And they are saying that tonight at 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, they will have a conference call to do a presentation to investors. So I think that's what most people will be waiting for. We are about, I think, 20 minutes to the close of market today. So just be patient. When the update comes, I don't know what how the market will react, but this is not something that is a clear-cut response to the drug candidate, which would have likely sent the stock value of PMV Pharmaceuticals to the moon. So just be patient. If you can, go to their website, and I'm sure they will have a link to where you can listen in on this conference call with investors in the company. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next one. Please, on your way out, don't forget, as usual, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep that number growing. We're having probably about 1 or 2 subscribers every day. Let's aim at doubling that so that we can hit a target of 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections in November. Bye now.